The Einhell TE-AC 24 compressor is a versatile device perfect for use in a garage or workshop, offering the ability to adjust pressure up to 8 bar for a wide range of tasks. This compressor is impressively quiet, operating at just 57 decibels, and is powered by a maintenance-free, oil-free motor rated at 750 watts, ensuring reliable performance without sacrificing power. With a 24-liter tank, it provides ample air reserves, making it suitable for various applications, such as inflating tires or using pneumatic tools. Einhell stands by the quality of this product with a generous 10-year rust-through warranty for the tank, and the convenient drain plug allows for easy maintenance. The compressor features both a pressure gauge and a quick-release coupling for precise control, as well as a safety valve for user protection, all while being easy to transport thanks to its vibration-absorbing legs and compact vertical design. Overall, the Einhell TE-A24 compressor is a well-rounded tool offering a blend of quiet operation, durability, and efficient performance, making it an excellent addition to any home improvement toolkit.